As goes Philadelphia, so goes Boston? Let's hope so. Little background. 4 times during his governorship, Deval Patrick attempted to extend the state's sales tax to soda and candy. All 4 times he failed. Around the country, attempts to tax such calorie-rich, nutrition-poor items have been marketed as ways to combat America's obesity crisis, with nearly 1/3 of kids and 69% of adults now either overweight or obese. I care about that, but it appears legislators and their constituents do not. Even public health advocates say a modest tax, like what had been proposed in our state, would not deter usage. But my original hometown appears to be onto something new. There is a proposal for a huge hike in the soda tax, 3 cents an ounce, doubling the price of some soft drinks. But unlike the past, it's not about fighting obesity, though I think that kind of hike would, but about raising taxes for very popular but unfunded programs. Let's face it, America's elected representatives are tax phobic, so they hike fees and fares. But there's one instance where they're willing to utter the T word. Sin taxes, like on alcohol and cigarettes. Well, in an era when most see pop or tonic, as some call it here, as a third sin, Mayor Jim Kenney of Philly appears to get it. His initiative would raise $400 million over 5 years to fulfill a campaign promise for universal pre-K. Know who made the same promise? Marty Walsh. As candidate, he said he'd double the number of 4-year-olds in full-day preschool. As of the end of last year, he had added roughly 200 seats, not the 2,400 additional he promised. And no, GE's money is for other purposes. But a soda sin tax could come to the rescue for Boston and for cities throughout the state. We'll know if the Philly strategy becomes real in May. Philadelphia already gave Boston me. Next, there could be a soda for pre-K. Hey, 1 out of 2 ain't bad. What do you think? Email us, tweet us, share your thoughts.